Hi.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Morning.
So you know most English.
A little bit. I understand. But
Less than you, this guy, and
I explained it.
third number, this guy.
All are
I
knowing, but
understand,
little
but,
bit
can't speak
clearly.
fluently.
Slowly you will do. So 10th you completed.
Speaking English means you will understand that by
10th,
reply not will become.
Okay. So you completed 10th class.
Plus two.
After
two
then
only.
plus 1, plus 2.
Yes.
Then you
Tamil Nadu
pass
side is
Tamil side.
Tamil Nadu side.
Tamil Nadu side.
அவங்கெல்லாம்
Okay.
கன்னடா.
Say hi. Say hi.
This
No,
phone
no.
is calling now. Malaysia phone.
Go get it. We are there on tea shop. Go get. Come back.
3 members.
You will also go.
No.
He will come back.
Three
He
members
will
can-
come back. He will come back. Okay, come on. This tea shop.
யாரோ தொடர்புல இருக்காங்க.
இல்லை எல்லாருமே வரணும்.
Where is that guy? Okay. You know this tea shop.
I'm coming first time.
First time you coming. Okay.
I think yesterday it's open.
Yesterday it's open.
Yesterday, day after before, I think.
So what about this traffic?
What kilometer? What kilometer?
Six. So all people are coming with us.
How many days you are doing vlogs?
This I do on and off whenever I get time,
Oh,
like a hobby.
I seen many video. Doing
You saw-
German aircraft, that video I have seen.
Thar video also you seen. Okay.
And before, yesterday before you going to Maharashtra,
Yes.
and that video also
Oh, complete video you covered.
I put like also.
Okay, good. Yeah, I saw one live came. You didn't comment.
No comment, I
Why?
put comment.
You should have commented.
No, I
Why?
put, now I put. Now we
Yeah.
are going home and kind of put.
On any video you see my video, okay?
Oh, okay.
Give your thoughts on comments.
I send my mother and father also this YouTube channel link.
They also subscribed. Today also you sent this vlog.
Okay, my brother also there, my sister also there. I send this
Okay.
vlog links.
Okay.
So many traffic there.
And we have to speak loudly
Oh, okay.
so that mic can catch the voice.
Some noise are coming, sir.
What are you saying?
Noise are coming loudly.
Noise it will reduce.
Ready? This side.
Where your mother father staying?
My father's name is V. Ravi Kumar. My father's name is Ravi Kumar. And my mother's name is Shakila.
Okay.
I have one sister.
Okay.
My sister also married. She has one son.
Sister is married.
Married.
Married. Where?
My native place. Native place. My relative.
Relatives.
Relative.
Okay.
He has one son.
One son he has.
He completed 1 year.
Oh, 1 year son. Good, good. Send to her also, okay? Link.
Yesterday I sent. But I seen in the
You get the video of the son also. We will add in vlog.
okay. I sent on a clip video. Yeah. Some BGMs come, they walk like me. BGM like.
Speak loudly, not able to hear.
How to tell? Some BGM I clip on edit with my sister son. You add this clip in this video.
Okay.
That time my sister side relative is there. That time also the YouTube sync like going like and news some more. This is hot traffic. From this side. So many traffic.
Okay.
Add some clips, some comedy, like that.
Comedy clips?
Comedy clips you add in this video.
Yes,
Bro.
we can add.
Sorry.
Hi.
Some subscriber.
Don't know.
Who is calling? This guy. You want to come in vlog? Hey, ask you want to come in vlog.
You want to vlog? Join me. No. Hindi one. Hindi understand.
Vlog?
Get on video with sharp promotion.
This is your shop.
The other shop.
This shop. Promotion. Okay, we will come. We will come here.
Okay.
We will promote it later.
Okay.
Three. So you see how people get excited. People get excited.
Yes.
Yesterday also two people stopped me.
Stop me.
They want to come in vlog video.
Yes, sir. That time you add is some small clip, add some comedy. Like that views more than like that views more come.
Okay. There are so many UDP kitchen shop.
Kitchen shop, more veg.
I'm only veg.
More veg. So many traffic. From the hashtag, bro. Hashtag.
Hashtags, yes.
Hashtag, you use it.
Yes,
Come
yes.
more views.
Yeah.
My area said I only use the hashtag. That
Okay.
time views come more.
Okay. Which is this mandir?
I don't
This tank today they painted. Today they painted it.
I don't know your name.
So it is a 3-year course here.
2.5.
2.5.
6 month training, 2.5 course.
Total 3 years
Totally 3 years.
after +2.
Totally. But much important, physics, chemistry, maths.
So you will be in aircraft maintenance.
Aircraft maintenance.
Well, you will do the job aircraft maintenance.
Aircraft maintenance.
Okay. What will be the starting salary?
Starting salary, first week, there are more modules there. Clear modules are there.
Modules.
Modules.
Okay.
One by one, you clearly get the salary increase.
But what is the starting range?
Starting range, I think, 1 lakh.
Starting will be 1 lakh. So it is easy placement or difficult?
More difficult.
Okay.
More difficult. Because semester is there, module is there. You can confuse more. So now come Mall of Asia.
Which mall is there?
Again Mall of Asia, gate 3.
Gate-
One mall is there. Tomorrow we going.
Gate 3.
Gate 3. Yeah, we have many branches there.
Okay. So this is the first branch.
This is the first branch.
Second branch.
Another branch is that side.
Back side.
That side.
And third branch.
Third branch I don't know.
But it is
But,
there.
more
Same
branches there.
Mall of Asia branches.
Mall of Asia, more branches there.
Okay. In Bangalore only or all over the India also it is available?
I don't know, but I seen only now Bangalore. Famous food. Your side.
There it is only more vegetarian food.
Only vegetarian,
Only vegetarian.
not non-veg.
No.
Why? Because most people like that.
Yes.
So now attraction. Some Christmas decoration is there.
Yeah, they are preparing for that. Preparation is going on for Christmas Day.
Beautiful place.
That is why they have given the red light on the top.
So colorful.
See, outside.
I think it is started.
I think he practicing. Then one function is there.
Come this side, come this side.
Okay.
After coming outside, we will
Block.
visit it.
Show the decorations.
Nice. Hi.
லைட்லாம் நல்லா செட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
You can see there is too much crowd now.
Because night time bus
There is too much crowd today.
too much crowd.
Yeah, and even it will increase more tomorrow. And near the
Because these people like only night. These people only like visiting the place.
visiting the place.
Night time only because light is more.
This is also good.
Clean and correctly maintain this area.
Yeah, the decoration is also nice.
Decoration also
Pink
nice.
color lighting.
See that more color.
Lift is not available, right?
No, lift is there.
Which side?
That side go on fully.
Okay.
Yes, there are பாருங்க. நல்லா சரின்றாங்க.
Games?
Games. In small children.
Small children games.
Games. When is that?
This is going up, right?
Yes.
Let's go quickly
Okay.
and meet that guy. It's nice.
Yes.
Golden color.
Light is more. Light set also.
We reached, right? Or one more up. He is sitting on the chairs area. Here they have sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi dim sums. Live sushi.
You like?
I will try someday.
I also tried.
You tried?
Oh, I not tried.
Never tried. Okay, we will come together.
Okay. Right.
You saw in my last video there was no one.
No,
Very less.
very less. I'm coming day after before. That time also less person.
You like books?
I like
Book reading?
Very good.
Crossword?
Like this. Kids are attractive. Games are more than
You like games more than books.
books.
Books you like
Books
less,
also are little.
but you like games more. I think it is. Oh, go up. It is there.
Sit.
Where are the three guys?
Silently coming. I agree, bye. So no step is there. So much crowd, sir.
I think that side. This is games area, right?
Games areas.
Hey man, I'm creating vlog, okay? I'm creating vlog, it's okay? See, many guys with me. So you are okay, comfortable in vlog. Continue, see how many team members I have.
Oh my god.
These are all people are with me now. 6 people,
Okay, they are
You can meet.
staying in PG.
all are friends.
Nice.
So what is our plan now?
I don't know, simply come and take photo.
You are coming in this much of group, what bro? I'm scared. very big. Only within 200 days only.
So it is good, right? So these all guys are there, right? These are all good guys.
Okay.
You introduce to these guys. What is your name?
This guys. Yeah. Hi. My name is Nagesh. Actually, I'm from Andhra.
Andhra, which side?
Kadapa district.
Karpa.
Ha.
Okay. And you are doing this coding.
No.
Where is your that book? Show me the book. No, show me that book.
Okay.
I will show it to the audience.
That is okay.
You bought it for 1,000. It is a very costly book.
Yeah.
So this is the book, guys. Check it. The Secret. This is the secret book.
You don't want secret or what?
All the secrets are in this. Show to these guys also.
No, actually, that is about law of attraction. Staying positive always.
See how positive is now. How many people came?
Yeah. That's
So
true.
positivity is increasing. Positivity is
I'm
increasing.
reading only, but you are applying in your life.
I'm applying.
You are applying.
See how many positive guys are here, right?
Nice.
So he was sitting yesterday in that vlog. I didn't capture this guy. But today again I got in touch, so he said to meet. And again these guys were getting ready. I was going to come alone.
Okay.
So I asked him, okay, let's go. You were also getting ready for mall only.
Yes, sir.
See the coincidence. So this is the power of this book,
Oh.
right?
Yeah,
So now what is the plan?
Hard plan. Simply come take photo. Go and rest.
Just start with.
Other point I was thinking to create the discussion with you for job hunting. To find it, how to prepare resume, how to focus. General things we are saying, right? You don't have the confidence.
Yeah. See,
You should be telling, right?
You know.
I'm not saying we will be telling the companies. Just like you will be sharing your experience, how to find out, how to approach, how to only
No.
journal points.
That's okay.
Later on we will do.
God, just I have to
Yeah.
tell about myself only, where I came from, how I'm.
Yeah, you can tell.
But,
Earlier my plan was that only, to sit with you and have some discussion. Then these guys
but you
joined.
have to like counter questions. I'm able to answer. I'm only continuously speaking. I'm not able to speak English fluently and all. It's not much.
No,
good.
still he is speaking good. Still he is speaking good, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll have some counter
Yes,
questions
sir. I have problem, sir.
about our personal, like village life or personal or something. Whatever we want to discuss, we'll make it. Or any another topic is there also. Let me know. We'll do that. Just I'm thinking.
Yeah. I will add you and you will be seen in the vlog now. Right? And we will keep meeting here. All people are booking the orders.
Max is there. Max Trends is there in second floor for shopping and all. Kids court only, like
Okay.
for child. Second floor, Trends and all there. We'll go to second floor.
Tag me.
I will tag you. Here we can start. Here. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sukoon.
Okay, from where you are?
I am from Mumbai.
Mumbai, okay. So, what you ate today here at Mall of Asia?
I ate a great mini Subway
Okay,
and it was very yum. It was customized very nicely and
Okay.
very cheesy. And
okay.
it was
You
very
liked it a
yum.
lot.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
thank you.
That way. Started? Yeah, hi, good evening.
Hello.
So, how was the experience of Mall of Asia you visited?
Mall is a good place.
Okay,
and,
from where? Please tell your name and from where you are.
Okay. Hi, I'm Daphne and
Okay.
I'm coming from Mangalore.
Okay.
Come for a
Mangalore?
Short, yeah, coming from Mangalore.
Okay.
Come for a short trip here.
Okay,
And we finished some shopping and we thought we'll eat something.
okay.
Since we're coming from Mangalore, we thought we were gonna try something that's special coming from our hometown.
Okay.
It's called the Mangalore buns.
Okay. But here they were, means you found it some gaps.
Yeah.
So but it should have, means what?
It should have been a little more fresh.
Fresh, okay.
The taste is not really matching to what it should be.
All right.
Apart from that, we tried some momos. I think they were.
Which brand
Pretty
you
okay.
taken? IDC.
IDC gave us the Mangalore buns and the coffee.
Okay.
Momos are from, some Korean place, which is
Korean
like
place.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we had a faluda, which was average as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
From where you are? Please introduce.
Originally, I'm from Bihar. My name is Rana Ritesh,
Okay.
and I'm living in Bangalore for the last 10 years.
Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah, so I was studied and then I started working here.
Okay.
And
In which field you are?
I'm into IT.
IT.
Yeah.
Okay. So how is your experience at Mall of Asia? Bangalore?
It's really awesome. Like I would
Okay.
say, I've visited multiple times. I would say more than 10 times.
More than 10
And
times.
every time I'll come, I find a couple of different activity, especially during the November, December. You will find something for Deepavali. Then
Okay.
again in December for the Christmas.
Hmm.
So yeah, overall I would say like it's awesome place to hang out and then having
Okay.
food. Yeah.
So which brands do you are more interested in here?
I like more Starbucks,
Okay.
and then here like I would say Subway.
Subway,
Like recently it came actually this month only, but I'm enjoying a lot. And then many times like Idli dosa coffee. I think it's in the corner here,
Yeah.
so that is also really awesome. Like
Okay.
maybe you should also try once.
Yeah, thank you for reviews.
Oh, yeah.
Any other views you want to give?
Oh no, like I'm good. Like I'm really enjoying.
So
here.
usually you come on weekends.
I'll come on the weekends.
Okay. She want to say something?
This is my wife.
She want to say something? You want to say something? Okay. Thanks. Nice to meet you. And
thank you.
any other thing you want to say or ask?
No, like. I'm
Okay.
good.
Thank you for
Nothing
your
to say.
reviews.
Yeah, thank you.
So guys, let's take another review. Let's find some other guy who is in the mall. Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, hi bro.
So hello, welcome. So we are taking the reviews.
Okay.
So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Nagesh.
Okay.
I'm from Andhra.
Okay.
Actually, to explore Mall of Asia, I'm coming here.
Okay.
I'm feeling so happy coming here.
All right.
And I'm exploring book center here.
Hmm.
Sometimes I'm sitting here only 1 hour, 1.5 hour, like that I'm reading books.
Hmm.
And in Max also I'm visiting store, purchasing clothes and all.
You enjoyed food also?
Yeah, I enjoyed food also.
Okay.
I think it is a very nice place.
How often you come here?
Weekly 2-3 times I'm coming.
Weekly 2-3 times.
Majorly I'm coming like weekends I'm coming here.
Okay.
Weekdays I'm busy.
Okay.
Weekends definitely weekly 2 or 3 times I'm coming here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm feeling very happy by spending time here.
Okay.
Yeah, it is nice.
Okay. Thanks for review.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So 0.6 covers more area, but the quality reduces. It's a wide angle kind of thing. The decoration is very nice. Let's enjoy the party. I have kept this to please the lenses. That's why he brought you here
Yeah,
to
yeah,
explore.
I didn't see.
Come.
Bro, I
Where are
want
those
one
guys?
video in my mobile also. You vlog? Oh, vlog's already taken, yeah? But I want one video with my mobile later. What he is going center? He's going. Back camera, front camera.
You are enjoying.
Yeah. Back camera you are taking, right?
One photo, please. You want to come in? So here is the video. So today we enjoyed a lot here.
Yeah, really, I also felt so happy.
Otherwise, so it was just
Otherwise, just I'm sitting reading, it's not good for me. So so happy exploring the
in
things.
our group you found happy.
Yeah, we find friends and all. We all together enjoyed a lot. Really, I'm really, seriously, I'm so happy. Otherwise, I'm alone only sitting, reading, going. Sometimes I need to spend like this.
Don't worry. You call us and our team will come for happiness.
Definitely come.
Okay guys, so we are going back to our room. So but please subscribe the channel. So how we
Share
find
more photos. I'll share the video.
There's a huge traffic. Suddenly it increased.
Leave that easy because I'm searching job now.
Definitely that the job.
Not like that. Anyway, definitely.
Hey.
நம்ம புடிங்க எடுத்துனா தேவாங்க போட்டுறதானே கட்டி போட்டுருவாங்கடி இங்க
ஜகாரடா உன சீட் பெல்ட் போட்டு
லட்சம் சம்பாதிக்குவாங்களா
நான் டீச் அப்பலாம் ஸ்கூல்ல கரெக்டாக நிறைய பேர்
So here is the video. So today we enjoyed a lot here.
Yeah, really, I also felt so happy.
Otherwise, so it was just
Otherwise, just I'm sitting reading, it's not good for me. So so happy exploring the
in
things.
our group you found happy.
Yeah, we find friends and all. We all together enjoyed a lot. Really, I'm really, seriously, I'm so happy. Otherwise, I'm alone only sitting reading, going. Sometimes I need to spend like this.
Don't worry. You call us and our team will come for happiness.
definitely come.
Hmm?
You put small clips.
Okay.
Some comedy clips.
What is the name of this song?
Sorry?
This circle, what is the name of that circle?
Plus, we simply we are calling it is not big circle.
Okay.
Okay. What happened?
He turned his face to YouTube.
Okay, fine.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं पटना से हूँ।
नाम?
सोनू कुमार।
यहाँ क्या करते हैं आप?
इधर कुक हूँ।
कुक।
हाँ
क्या बनाते
डीजे
हैं?
कुक
वेज सारा बनाते थे?
हाँ वेज सारा।
ओके।
इधर का साउथ स्टाइल, आंध्रा स्टाइल सब आता है।
आता है। ओके, बताएंगे आपको कुछ।
ओके।
ओके, टेल।
Yes, our distributor is Shalom Distributor. My name is Dayanand. Shalom Indibook Distributor. My name is Dayanand. My contact number is 9632431176.
टेल once more.
9632431176.
Okay. So anyone want to buy, come here for 50% discount. Okay. I will also come later.
Yes.
I'm going to drop you.
In the month 2 times only here.
times only.
Every day other place.
Other place. I will come again.
Okay,
Thank you.
They will make a lot of issues.
Yeah, I will start asking.
Not saying about you.
No, I will start asking and see.
Most of people interested only, but family people are not very serious. Those are young girls, they are also interested. I just left here only.
From here, Med Plus.
Okay, come to my PC once you see.
Yeah.
I'm also living PC. Maybe. This is not big circle. Small circle.
No circle, man.
Yeah, circle.
No circle.
Med plus.
You told it is a circle. No circle.
But three,
Which
three
three?
roads are small roads are there.
Hey, subscribe my channel. I will show you in my ID. Yeah, check it. See, these kind of positive guys are there.
YouTube ID.
Open YouTube. This is also a nice area.
Yeah, it is.
The right curve is nice with some greenery. How far?
Here only, right sir. This is dead end.
Dead end.
Here right.
That small right.
Small right.
Okay. This is your area.
Yeah.
Some dogs are there.
No, nothing is there.
We should be safe, as you tell.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
Dogs are not there.
We have to create so many vlogs. We have to be safe.
Okay.
This guy is also good, right?
Yeah.
And you find this guy is also good.
Yes.
So this is the power of the secret book you were reading.
Yes.
Due to that only we connected, right? Because during that you were in that mindset, right? So I caught your frequency. This is the PG, right?
This is only.
What you said?
Now time blogger finished.
Lot of?
Blog finished this time.
Yeah, still means we have to keep capturing
Yes.
because we don't know what good moment comes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't know when a good moment comes. Hmm? This way. This is only your this is only. Your is further.
Yeah.
Let's drop in. Come.
Nearby or long?
Their circle is there, na?
See, these days, what is happening? People are alone, mostly.
Mostly.
So, the happiness is in togetherness.
I'm happy.
That is my experience. When we are together, we will enjoy more. Otherwise, if you are alone, you will keep droning
Yeah.
under stress. You don't know what to do.
Yeah.
How much further we have to go?
I think you guys can.
No, we go.
Here only circle.
That circle further.
Here only.
So I already told that we are on same road.
Yeah. Same room?
Same.
And third floor.
Different floors.
So are you staying which sharing, like two sharing or three sharing or what?
It's a three sharing.
Three sharing.
I do sure.
What about your?
Mine is single sharing. Seriously.
This kind of bikes you like? That kind of bikes, right? That bike. Later on we will buy one bike, okay? And explore Bangalore.
Many places are there.
But the problem is on one bike, two people can only sit.
Yeah, otherwise it is bus or what?
What is this offer? What is this? Offer? What is the offer?
ये यूनिवेक कंपनी का फैक्ट्री आउटलेट से है.
Outlet. What is the
MRP के ऊपर
offer?
है.
What is the offer?
On the MRP, 35, 40, 50% offer.
50% offer.
Yes.
Oh, good. Today, tomorrow also you are here?
No.
Today?
Today only. In the 2 time of the monthly.
2 time of month.
Yes.
What 2 times you come?
Afternoon 2 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Okay. When? Which days?
After 15 days. 1 day front before.
Okay. You have any visiting card?
No.
Contact number?
Contact number.
Please speak.
Our distributor is no. Shalom distributor.
Your contact number.
My contact number.
Speak. I will save after the word.
In the Google search no Shalom distributor. Our
You tell the mobile number.
mobile number. Why?
I will call you and ask when you are coming, right?
So
Or why?
you doing video no? So why I ask you?
Yeah, this person is also
Very
good. Kindly person. And we enjoyed it together, right?
Yes. Time is how to go, I don't know.
Hmm?
Time how is go, how to go, I don't know.
Time
Time is more.
time passed and we earlier time was not
Earlier.
passing.
Yes.
So now we don't know how fast it went.
Yes.
So now directly we will have dinner
Yes.
and then have some rest.
Yes.
Then again
Because
walk.
so much kilometer walking.
Then
Yeah.
again walk. So that we not forget, right? You were there right earlier. She turned the face. She turned her face. Yes. So you want to be covered in the vlog? Okay. Okay, bye. We are staying here. Here we are staying.
Finally come.